Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today we are again back in Koraput. Today we are going for a day camping to some remote location. This is not a tourist place. So
today 15 August
और इधर सबको देख रहा है, सभी आज एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, कोई पिकनिक स्पॉट में जा रहा है. सुबह से काफ़ी बारिश हो रहा था. So there was incessant rain during the morning hours. So first we dropped the plan, but now the sky is overcast. The rain has stopped. So we'll go to a remote location. कहीं भी जगह ऐसा ही है तो जाके उधर डे कैंपिंग करेंगे. Happy Independence Day and please watch our video. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, because like and subscribe में पैसा नहीं लगता है, but it helps to promote our channel. Almost reached that riverside area where we have decided to do some day camping. थोड़ा खाना वाना बनाएंगे. इतना अच्छा लवली लोकेशन है. ऐसा लोकेशन तो कोरापुट में हर जगह में भी है, बट वी लव दिस प्लेस वेरी मच ड्यू टू इट्स सीरीन ब्यूटी एंड एब्सोल्युटली पीसफुल एंड फैंटास्टिक व्यूज. दिस इज एक्चुअली द बैक साइड ऑफ द नेवल बैरक्स. देयर यू सी द कोलाब रिवर. कोलाब रिवर इज ऑल अराउंड. This is the back side of the lower dam actually. Still some rails are there. Now it has become a paddy field. The railway line is still there, and this railway line actually goes to the British Bridge. That is accessible, but it's absolutely a jungle trek and difficult to take a car like this. But the railway line is still existing, and this was the original connection from Visakhapatnam. The train used to travel through this line during the British period. Yes, here you get a little more glimpse over here. There you see those sleepers are still intact in this area. This is the railway line. That was the original line that used to come from Visakhapatnam. It resembles of the old history. जो पुराना हिस्ट्री था उसी का एक व्यू है ये वाला. तो इस जगह से हम लोग निकल जाएंगे. So that was a single line, and it used to come from that particular jungles and cross the British Bridge and reached Koraput. You can see the beautiful scenery as we are driving by the side of Kolab River, and on the left side that is a hillock, and above that hillock there is a establishment, and if you go straight we'll reach the Central University of Odisha. So this is a backdoor road to that particular university also. And if you come during the winter months, सर्दी का मौसम में आएंगे तो इसको एक पिकनिक स्पॉट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. अभी शायद कोई नहीं है. इट्स नाउ अ डेजोलेट एंड रिमोट प्लेस, एंड दिस इज अराउंड 20 to 25 kilometers from our present home. We have set up our all the cooking gears, the camping table, the butane gas, and we are in a beautiful location. तो आज का वीडियो यही होगा, क्योंकि हम लोग इधर आके ये फाइन लोकेशन में कुकिंग करेंगे.
পারছি গন্ডগোল আছে এই দিকটা।
সময় লাগবে।
Cheese has been sprinkled over there. Now it will cook in low flame with covered. It's giving a very good smell. और कुकिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर और आज का है टोटली वेस्टर्न स्टाइल ऑफ फूड. वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेजिटेबल बर्गर विथ egg preparation. What is its name? It is egg saksuka. This will be my first experience with this type of food. So let's see how it tastes. Now it's done. The egg has been prepared. तो अभी हम लोग ये बर्गर के साथ ये एक साक्सुका ट्राई करेंगे. Try this food while you are on the go.
ভালো আছে।
बहुत अच्छा प्रिपरेशन है.
চিজ দিলে সব খাবারই ভালো লাগে।
वेजिटेबल बर्गर उसके साथ एक साक्सुका.
শর্টস করেছো তো?
This is definitely a good place for you. You can come here and enjoy a day.
Enjoy every age, old age, every age.
So that's it until then.
That's it.
So that's it till then with best wishes from Super Cyber. Please do subscribe and please do comment and give like.